Okay, so we're going to be taking our design that we've created here by hand, this one, as you can see here. We're going to bring it into Illustrator. So I'm going to open up Illustrator now. I'm going to go to File and New within Illustrator. Once we go to File and New, we're going to make a brand new document. And this new document is going to be a tabloid size. So you can go up to the top, click on Print, choose tabloid size here. You can have it vertical or horizontal. It really doesn't make a difference for what we're doing. I'm going to keep it vertical for now. I'm going to hit Create. So you can get this brand new white page that shows up on your screen. Now from there, what we have to do is we have to go to File and Place. Now, once we go to File and Place, we're going to go to where we saved your image. In my case, it's on my desktop. This will be in your folder. So I'm going to take these images. I'm going to hit Place. And when they come up, you'll see a little icon. I'm just going to kind of click and drag and then let go. And it's going to place the image right in there. Now, I do want to rotate this. So I'm going to make sure I have the black arrow on the keyboard. I'm going to go over to the corner here. I'm going to click and pull. I can hold Shift and you'll see it'll snap so that it now becomes horizontal. Okay, now from there, what I would like to do is take this, take the opacity and bring it down. Now make sure you have it clicked. You see when I click it, it has this blue bounding box that goes around it. I'm going to take opacity, bring the opacity down a little bit so it's a little bit lighter. And then I'm going to go to Object, Lock, Selection. So this box that's selected is going to be locked, so we can't accidentally move it or draw on it or do anything to destroy it. Then we're going to pick the best out of these four that we want to fix. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose this one down here. So I'm going to zoom in, take the zoom tool at the bottom of the toolbar, just click and zoom in. Then you can take the hand tool or the space bar on your keyboard and you can click and move it around. Now, once you get to there, we're going to be using our pen tool to create this project. So pen tool. Now to have the most control over this, take the regular pen tool, go up to the top. I'm going to click on the fill color, but make it none, and go to the stroke color up top, click on it, and give it a color that you'll recognize. In this case, I'm just going to make it black so we can see it. And the size of it, well, let's make it, let's see what 1 pixel looks like. It's not bad. You know what? I'm going to undo. I'm going to make it 2 points. So it's a little thicker. So black stroke, no fill, 2 points. Then you're going to go over to this, and letter by letter, you're going to try to recreate what you've drawn. So how would you do this? Well, if there's a straight line, I'll do the H first as an example. If you click 1 point, you let go to the next point, click, let go, click, let go. Now, those were easy because they were 2 straight lines with a straight, sharp corner. But here you'll notice that the H, the bottom of the H starts to bend a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the end point, but I'm going to click, and this time I'm not going to let go. I'm going to click and pull, and you will see that I can bend it. All right, and I'm still holding on to the mouse, and I'm clicking and kind of going back and forth a little bit. And as soon as it looks like it matches up, I could let go, but I know that the H keeps going. So instead of letting go, I'm going to hold Option on my keyboard. When I hold Option, now I can decide where this next line is going to go. Now we know it goes up. So I'm going to pull this up, and then I'm going to let go of the mouse first, and then let go of Option. And then I can go up, click, and then this one's a straight one, so click. This one is a little bit of a curve, so I'm going to click here again, pull a little bit, not too much or else this will happen, okay? So just a little bit of a pull until the line matches up, hold Option, tell it where I want to go. Where do I want to go? Well, I want to go this way, right? And then I let go of the mouse, and then I let go of Option. And then I go down to this one, click and pull, Option, come up. And now here there's a curve and then a straight line. So it's kind of up to you. As you get better with this, I could go here and click and pull. I could probably go all the way to here and click and pull. And you'll see as I keep pulling, that line looks pretty good. Now I'm going to hold Option again, tell it where I want to go, which in this case is to the left. Click. Click, click, and then close it back up. You'll see a little circle tells you that you're back where you started. And you see how nice and clean that starts to look. Take the black arrow, click on the piece, and now you could give it a fill color. You could click on it and take away the stroke. It's really up to you how you want it to look at this point. So you're going to continue to do this until you finish this logo. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take the finished logo, and put it on some packaging.